This is our 1988 Suzuki Samurai. We've updated the ignition system on it, had some issues with starting up and dieseling when turning off. We installed the MSD-6AL and a Mallory 22940 ignition coil. That should help us out with startup and prevent washout from gas not being burned.
Welcome back. This is us. Today we are going to be focusing on these. These have served me well, but as you can see, there are many of these. And many of these in one hole I don't like. So I got new ones. Today we have some KAAS, and their product actually looked pretty dope to me, and it has some pretty good reviews. Looks pretty good. I like how beefy they are. It's side and top terminals. Looks nice. I think it'll look a lot better than these, because like this is negative, so ooh, that does look nice. Have them going like that. Yeah. Get that big red one. Bam. Ooh, I do like that a little more. Looks a lot better. This is all wired up. Look at this. Just absolutely look at it. Alright, so there is a few more things that we got to do before we can officially say that this is halfway through the process of being somewhat normal. We're going to replace, next episode we're going to replace the valve cover with a newer valve cover that's all aluminum, says stamped steel, which seems to be failing on us. And we're going to be installing a catch can. So until next time, see you guys later.